It started with a decision to begin again. This is where the story begins.
With New Year becomes new beginnings. That's why I've landed in Istanbul airport today. And this new year, I will be doing something new for myself.
Everyone belongs here. No matter your journey, this is a place for new beginnings. What matters, choosing chance and stepping into the new year with hope. Therefore, when one story ends, 1,000 new ones begin. Hope comes easier when you know you're in the right hands. That's how I feel walking into Smile Hair Clinic.
What's your expectations with 2026?
Well, a part of my plan to move is to increase my dating opportunities. So yeah, I want to look better.
So we wish everyone a nice and happy and healthy 2026. Thank you.
Here, people come together from different places, sharing same hope and same excitement. Sometimes that's all it takes to feel connected. Because even when chapter ends, another quietly begins. This is more than a transformation. It's the start of something new.
Thank you.
This year, I'm excited for a lot of good things to come, especially my new hairline.
My dream expectation is to have long hair, so after my second hair transplant here, I'm hoping that's what I can get within the new year or the start of something.
Me siento muy contento de haber estado en esta experiencia. Me gustaría invitarlos para que vengan a esta clínica. A comparación del año pasado, este año me siento más rejuvenecido y con todo para una nueva experiencia este 2026. Gracias.
Also ich habe schon überlegt, die Haartransplantation zu machen dieses Jahr. Bin aber nicht dazu gekommen, aber jetzt die letzten paar Wochen habe ich entschieden, das zu machen. Habe mir angeschaut, wo es beste Bewertungen gibt und gute Resonanten. Und ja, und ich habe mich halt für Smile Klinik entschieden. Und ich glaube, das ist auch die beste Entscheidung.
And this new year, I realize it isn't only my story, it's something many of us share. Change, hope, and starting again. So wherever you are, I'm wishing all of you health, peace, and confidence, and a year where we feel together, not alone. Happy New Year.